Hi guys, today I have a new video. It's a $700 PC. Let's get started. Oh no, wait, before we get started, please subscribe. It really gives me much motivation to make more videos every week. Now we get started. The first part is of course a processor. It's one from AMD. It's the Ryzen 5 2600. Processor has 6 cores and 12 threads. It's clocked at 3.4 GHz and it's overclockable to 3.9 GHz. Inside the box there's also a cooler. We will use this one for this build. Let's go to the motherboard. It's from Gigabyte. It's the B450M DS3H. The motherboard has 4 SATA ports and 4 RAM slots. This will give you the ability to upgrade your PC because we are only using 2 of them. Here you see the I/O. It has 6 USB type A ports and 1 Ethernet port. It also has 1 HDMI port, some audio jacks and 2 ports nobody use. For the RAM I have chosen the Team T-Force Vulcan Z. It's 16 GB, 2 of 8 GB. It's DDR4 3000 memory, so it's clocked at 3000 MHz. I've also chosen a 1TB SSD from SanDisk. It's the SSD Plus. It's a really good SSD and your games will load really fast. And then, the video card is the Gigabyte GeForce GTX 1660 Ti. It has 6 GB of video memory. You can also go with the GeForce GTX 1660 if you want your budget a little bit lower. The case is of course the Cooler Master Box Q300L Micro ATX Mini Tower. It's a really nice case, we've used it in many episodes. It's a really nice case for this price point and it fits every build. It's perfect. We are gonna use it again. And the last part is the power supply. It's the Corsair TXM Gold 550 watt 80 plus gold certified modular power supply. No, it's not completely modular, it's semi-modular. There are some cables already in it, the standard ones, and you can plug some in, so you don't have extra cables. Thanks for watching, please leave a like and subscribe. Yes, I really need subscribers, please subscribe. Bye!